Hi everybody and welcome back to SiArtShopChannel. Thank you for watching me today, guys. This is a little intro clip regarding the next tutorial I made for you all. Now this one is all about a fake ice cream cone with ice cream and with sauce and nuts and a fake chocolate bar in there, a flake chocolate bar if you know what one of those is. And without further ado, let me show you what I've made. Now it's going to look like this if you follow my tutorials. Da, 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 da. There you go, guys. What do you think of that? So I've made it into a candle, a tea light candle, as you can see here. Okay, so it's not going to hang up like this. It's going to go on a table like this. So it's got pads on the bottom. Okay, and it's going to sit on the table. So if you can imagine the table there, it's going to sit on that. And the idea was it's a ice cream, a 99 if you ice cream, if you know what one of those are. If you're a Brit, you will do. And it's been dropped onto the floor, so it's sort of splattered. And there's the splats there, and it's sort of all fallen out like so, with a candle on. So I thought that would be a fun idea to do, guys. So there you go. See it from the top there. And I go through all the different step-by-step tutorials for you, so you can see exactly how to make each part of this. And if you follow these tutorials, you'll end up with one of these luxury 99 ice creams. Okay, so there you go, guys. That's the top, and that's from the side. Okay, so you just light your candle, have fun. When it's run out, you just pop a new one in, and all is good. So there you go, guys. I'll put it up like that as well, so you can see it. And what do you think of that, guys? Good, yeah? I absolutely love this one. Absolutely love it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next tutorial on how to make this. Absolutely marvelous, isn't it? Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.